welcome back to the vlog. It's Aaron Hendon with Christine and Company, and here is what's happening in King County real estate today. First of all, I got crazy old man hair today. No, it's crazy. All right. Don't worry about my hair. Here we go. So if you look, the light green are the for sale, the dark green are the solds over the last 15 months. And what do we see? What? Inventory has tripled since the beginning of the year. Tripled. While sales are stagnant. I mean, okay, it's doubled since January, but pretty, solid July, pretty much the same. Fairly close to what you'd predict, but inventory has tripled. What does that mean? That means if you're buying, I'd get moving. I would get all over buying because you're not going to get any more inventory than July or August. Okay, this is about it. This is the most inventory you're going to get. And what's going to happen is that inventory is going to get used up. Okay, here's what I mean. So if you add the new listings on, you can see new listings have actually been decreasing over the last 3 months. So sales are going down a little bit. New listings have been slowing down. That trend for slowing down new listings is going to continue. It happens every year. People think, oh, I don't want to list in the winter. I don't know why people think that. It is dumb. You should be listing in the winter. There's way less competition. Look what happened last winter. Oh, look, sales exceeded inventory in November, December, January, February, March. Oh, no, I'll wait till the spring. Oh, yeah. More inventory than sales, more inventory than sales, more inventory than sales. No, bad move waiting. However, here you are. If you're looking to buy, you're going to get the best selection now and the most nervous sellers right now. Okay? Because inventory is going to go down. New listings are going to go down. The current buying, if you look at the trends in buying over the last 5 years, it's fairly level. It's fairly flat. Okay, you can see that there's not, it's right around that level, more or less. You can begin to see that the buying is going to suck up all that extra inventory. Okay, so people are going to buy that up over the next few months. So if you're buying, I'd get in a car this weekend. I'd get in a car in September. I'd get a house right now before the inventory dries up. If you're planning on selling a house and you're not on the market yet, I would wait till November. I wouldn't get on the market now. If you have a house and it's on the market, I wouldn't freak out. It's going to sell. Amazon is still hiring. This is solid 5 years of buying data. Their buyers are there. Okay. We're now back to 2014 levels of inventory, but unlikely to last for the rest of the year. The inventory will drive up. Those houses will sell. So if you're looking to buy, I would get in a car now before this trend right here with the new listings. Let me draw it. Unless this trend right here with the new listings, overtakes this trend with the buyers here. Okay. Because as soon as that meets, your advantage is gone. So if I'm a buyer, I'm buying today. Anyway, that's what I got for you. Okay. If you're a buyer, buy today. If you're looking to sell, chill for a few months. And if you got a house on the market, relax. It will sell. It's just going to take a little bit longer. All right. That's what I got for you about King County real estate. If there's other questions you have about your neighborhood, your block, your house, your situation, let me know. Happy to do this analysis for you for anything you'd like. All right. Talk to you soon. Thanks for coming by the vlog.